Hello and welcome to our another video of improvement. I was not creating videos because I was quite occupied in my exams and all, but now I'm free and I thought that I should start creating my videos again because many people they were sending me some text that why are you not uploading videos on YouTube. So in today's video we are going to discuss something interesting. In today's video I'm going to tell you what are some sort of things that can help you to improve your pronunciation, because what something that I personally feel, pronunciation plays an eminent role whenever you're speaking something and you're just trying to make other people understand. If your pronunciation is not good, people won't be able to understand what you're trying to say. So in that situation it's very important to make other people understand what you're trying to say. And how can we do that? If we have a good pronunciation and enunciation. So if you're a beginner or you are an intermediate level learner, so in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can improve your pronunciation. There are some sort of things which are very important, and those things we can keep in our mind in order to improve your pronunciation. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you in today's video, that is learning about, when you're learning about phonetics, this is going to help you to understand all sounds, vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Apart from that, second thing, let me tell you the second thing, or whenever you're learning English language, so you should understand what is the problematic sound for you. If you don't know what is the problematic sound for you, so it means you are doing random things. So whenever you're talking to someone and if the person has a good English level, so you can ask them, can you please identify which sound can you please identify the sound I'm making mistake whenever I'm trying to produce that sound. So this is gonna give you the understanding about your problematic sound. After understanding your problematic sound, suppose your problematic sound is B and P, you're not able to make difference between P and B sound. So in that certain situation you have to enhance your P and B sound. Similarly, some people they face problems with S and SH sound. Some people they face problem with B and V sound, right? So firstly, we need to rectify what kind of sound problem that you're facing. Accordingly, we can start working on that sound. So that's how we can improve our pronunciation. Apart from that, reading aloud. Every day, you can just take a short passage or any kind of article. Just try to read it aloud. Apart from that, shadowing, I think everybody knows about it. So I don't need to explain a lot of things. So shadowing, you can try just for 10 minutes every day. So these are some sort of things which you can try in order to improve your pronunciation. And in today's video, I'm gonna add one PDF file and I will be adding the link as well. So you can go through that. I have included some authentic resources and some authentic things about that. And whenever I'm including any kind of PDF, it means that content is prepared by me. So it means that is going to be an authentic content. So you can just go through that and look at it and understand. I have included some amazing things, and if you have any question, feel free to ask, or if you are getting through any kind of problem, feel free to put it in the comment section below so that I can bring that kind of topic in the upcoming session. Till then, keep learning and keep enhancing yourself. See you in the upcoming session. Take care.